Welcome to the future of interactive experiences. Today, we are excited to delve into the revolutionary Apple Vision Pro. This groundbreaking device marks a significant leap forward in technology, ushering in the era of consumer-accessible 3D experiences. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a headset, it's a portal to a world of possibilities. Prepare to be captivated by its stunning 3D visuals, intuitive interaction methods, and immersive audio. This introduction will explore the device's cutting-edge features, potential benefits and drawbacks, and the anticipated price point. Get ready to embark on a journey into the exciting world of 3D with Apple Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro specs and features. Display. 3D display system, micro-OLED with 23 million pixels per eye, offering a high-resolution and immersive viewing experience. 7.5 micron pixel pitch ensures sharp and detailed visuals. 92% DCI P3 color gamut provides accurate and vibrant colors. Supported refresh rates 90 Hz, 96 Hz, and 100 Hz for smooth and fluid visuals. Supports playback multiples of 24 frames per second and 30 frames per second, delivers judder-free video playback. Sensors. 2 high-resolution main cameras, for capturing photos and videos in 3D. 6 world-facing tracking cameras, track the environment for accurate spatial mapping and object recognition. 4 eye-tracking cameras, allow for precise eye tracking and eliminate the need for controllers. True depth camera, enables facial recognition and other functionalities. LiDAR scanner, creates a 3D map of the environment for improved depth perception. For inertial measurement units, IMUs track head movement and orientation. Flicker sensor and ambient light sensor, adjust display brightness and flicker reduction for a comfortable viewing experience. Other features? Dual-chip processor, enables complex 3D processing and experiences. Spatial audio system, creates an immersive audio experience that adapts to head movement. Hand tracking, allows for interaction with the device using hand gestures. Eye tracking, enables selection and interaction by simply looking at an element. Up to 2 hours of battery life, requires an external battery pack for extended use. Accessibility features, support for users with disabilities. Pros and cons advantages. Pros. First, consumer available 3D camera with the ability to capture and view 3D content. High-resolution displays for a clear and immersive viewing experience. Advanced tracking system for accurate spatial mapping and object recognition. Eye tracking and hand tracking for intuitive interaction. Spatial audio for an enhanced audio experience. Accessibility features for wider usability. Cons. Limited battery life, requires an external battery pack. High price, exact price not yet officially announced, but expected to be expensive. Relatively new technology with potential limitations and bugs. Price. The official price of Apple Vision Pro has not been announced yet. However, due to its advanced features and functionalities, it is expected to be a high-end device with a price tag potentially exceeding several $1,000s. It's important to note that Apple Vision Pro is a relatively new product and user reviews are not yet widely available. It's advisable to wait for further information and user feedback before making a purchase decision.